Sheila is Mina's daughter. She is mute and deaf, and her stepfather name is Carlo. While they were eating lunch, her stepfather was angry and told Sheila not to go outside. That's why Sheila cried. Sheila left the house while her mother was cleaning the house. After her mother cleaned, she went to Sheila's room and saw that Sheila was not in her room. Sheila went to the park because she was sad. And her stepfather was following her. Carlo approached Sheila and told Sheila not to be sad and that they will play, so Sheila suddenly became happy. Sheila didn't know that her stepfather was going to play with her. Carlo started to molest Sheila. Sheila was crying and screaming. Flor saw Carlo and Sheila having sex. Carlo warned Sheila not to report to the police and he gave Sheila money. Flor told Mina what she saw and asked the police for help. Flor pointed out where Carlo was. The police arrested Carlo and took him to the prison to explain. Because of what Carlo did to her daughter Sheila, Mina sued Carlo. Flor testified. Sheila's lawyer asked Carlo if he knew that Sheila was mute and deaf, and Carlo answered was yes, and I know that Sheila is mute and deaf. How did Sheila say that she wanted to sex with you? Carlo answered to Sheila's lawyer that he forgot. Sheila's lawyer told to the judge that Carlo was lying and took advantage of Sheila's weakness and disability. Sheila's lawyer told the judge that Carlo should lay in jail for what he did to Sheila. The accused Carlo is guilty on reasonable doubt that the crime of rape and hereby sentenced to the penalty of reclusion perpetua.